So nuclear fission has changed the world in many ways. But how did this happen? Well, it first began when a German scientist named Otto Hahn discovered that breaking a uranium-235 nucleus into two parts releases a lot of energy. And how that happens is a uranium-235 nucleus absorbs a neutron. When that happens, the uranium-235 nucleus becomes a uranium-236. And so that's really unstable, so it breaks into two smaller nuclei, barium and krypton. And then when that happens, it releases, a tremendous amounts of energy. And alongside that, it releases three more neutrons. And with those three neutrons, you can continue the cycle with other uranium nuclei. And so that has been able to do a lot of things like create an atomic bomb or, a nuclear power plant, for example. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. Now there's actually another method called fusion, and it's actually the way that the sun works. Now if you want to see how fusion works, you gotta give this video 20 likes, and I'll release it. See you guys around.